So when I start posting to my client's Facebook page and creating content to post every day, I like to follow the 70-20-10 rule. So 70% of my posting will add value to this brand. These can be business tips, local news. Say this is a local business, post some recent events in their community. Really add value to their brand. This can include quotes, interesting news articles, and so on. Then for the 20%, this is sharing other people's content. Another Facebook page's great post. An amazing YouTube video. Things that still add value to their brand, but more helps your customer with ideas and relevant content. Finally is the 10%. This is promotional post. This is you promoting your new products, promoting coupons and sales, or referring people to go off-site for a lead capture form. But no matter what, when I'm creating posts, the organic reach is really terrible now on Facebook. Across the board of page categories, it's under 10% organic reach. So you need to use post engagement ads. So it starts with a post on your Facebook page. This is a recent post I did. This is a promotional post, a 100% free email list growth cheat sheet, a link to that lead capture, and then again the value proposition to solidify this incentive. The 6 traffic sources I use to grow all my clients' email list to 1,200 plus in the first 30 days. Upload a clean, nice photo, and then publish this post to your page. Now quickly, let me show you the lead capture page here. Again, I start with the incentive, 100% free, and then in a bright colored and bigger font, I give the value proposition, and then I reconfirm the incentive in a smaller font. Each traffic source generates an average of 7 free leads per day. Then I embed my ConvertKit lead capture form, first name, email, download now, and then you can use WordPress plugins or any plugin depending on your content management system for your website to embed the like and share button to Facebook. You can also get this from developers.facebook.com. See here, developers.facebook.com/docs/plugin/like-button. So like button for the web. Scroll down, like button configurator. We can just input our Facebook page and then it updates down here. So let's just do, we know Nike's a big page. Let's do that. 27 million people like this. Be the first of your friends. So this code will show up on your page. So I do this because it gives a little more credibility, a little more social clout. People may be hesitant to give up their email address, but then they see, oh, maybe a couple of their friends have already liked the page, and then they see that number, 2,500 people have already liked. It just helps them with their decision. And then I always end my lead capture pages with a quality image. So we have our Facebook page post. Now we need to create that post engagement ad because organic reach is so terrible. You can't just post to Facebook anymore and hope it reaches everybody. You need to boost that post. So a boosted post can be done 2 ways. Right on the page via boost post. So the boost post ad comes up right here. We have a like page button with it. You can change the call to action button, learn more, no button. You can select your audience you want to boost to. I usually use this shortcut boost button if I'm just boosting to people who like my page. If I just want to up the likes, up the comments. This is a quick way to do it. I don't have to go through the full ad creation. But if I'm doing a full out build with a new audience, budget, varying, I don't like to use this shortcut template because I like the full layout and full features I see within the ads manager. So again, boosted post if I'm just doing a quick boost to all the people who like my page. Set my budget, set my duration, boom, let's post it, right? But I want to walk you through the full ads manager way. So let's cancel this promotion, go to ads manager, engagement, Now we want to name this post engagement. Now we click continue. So now we can pick past custom audiences we built, maybe lookalike audiences, a pixel audience. But I want to build a new one for this one. So scroll down, locations. I know my top locations, so I can input them here. Then we can pick our age and demo. Okay, scroll down. Now, detailed targeting. Who do you want to target for this post? Now I want to narrow this even further. We're at 19 million people in all these countries in this age range who are interested in this influencer. So I'm going to narrow the audience further with a similar influencer. Now, as you can see, Facebook gives me more suggestions. Look at Amy Porterfield, huge Facebook person. Marie Forleo, great motivational blogger. So again, if you need inspiration here for different interests, different Facebook pages, go to Facebook and type in a few of these in the search bar to see other similar pages that you can possibly use in your detailed targeting. Then connections. So connections, this is where we can promote it to people who just like our page with the following detailed targeting. But I'm trying to reach people outside of my page, so I'm not going to include this connection. If anything, I'll exclude people who like my page because I'm trying to get new post engagement and new likes. Okay, scroll down. Placements, I'm good with automatic. This will be the newsfeed, mobile, Instagram. That's fine. Daily budget. I want to split test this with another one, so let's just start small. We can always scale up. $5 a day. We can schedule based on our time zone, but that's fine. We want our ads to run distributed throughout the day with a standard delivery type. So click continue. Now our Facebook page shows up that we're connected with. Scroll down, select a page post. This is our most recent post by default. That's what we wanted. And I can pull possible leads from it. Incentive, lead capture page, and again, reconfirming that incentive with the value proposition. Now we scroll down, pixel tracking. We do want to track. I want to be tracking people who make it to this site, because people clicking this but not signing up and getting to the thank you page for this sign up, I can therefore retarget via a custom audience. Okay, so now I want to split test this ad. And remember, you only want to split test one variable at a time. So I usually either split test on the ad set level or on the ad level. So on the ad level, I'll split one image versus another image. I'll split test ad copy. I'll split test the post. Usually I'm splitting creative on this level. Then on the ad set level, I'll split placement, location, demographics, and detailed targeting. So for this one, I know I want to split it on the detailed targeting level. So let's toggle this and then click edit. Scroll down, as we can see, here's our original targeting, 18 to 35, Grant Cardone, Frank Kern. Looks good. What we want to do here is click this plus create. We want to split test at the ad set level for this campaign. So click the plus here. So we're using an existing campaign and we've added a new ad set. So there's multiple ways to do this. We can do this via the create multiple new ad sets, but I just want to create one more that's varying from my first ad set. So that's fine. We'll go through this again. Again, keeping the exact same variables except for one. We want to test one variable at a time. So for this one, we're not going to narrow the audience. We're going to just stay broad, 19 million people. Again, we'll exclude our Facebook page. Scroll down, we're good. Daily budget, we'll split $5 in each one. Okay, continue. And again, we're going to be keeping the ad level the exact same. We can eventually split test on the ad level once I identify all the variables that are favorable at the ad set level. So we're good here. Place order. So now back to our ads manager. So we have this campaign selected. Let's go to the ad sets, and here we go. We have 2 ad sets now. So this is why I suggest naming your ad sets, because they look the exact same, right? But we can quickly identify which one's which, right? So since this one is checkmarked, let's edit this one. Scroll down. We'll know our variable is under detailed targeting. So this is the 15,000 total, split test narrowing. So we can save and close. There we go. Now we quickly know. So let's select this one. Just grant. Great. So let's name that. It was 19 million. So now let's wait and see which one gets us better post engagement, more leads on our site, and likes to our Facebook page. So now that it's been 3 days, I like to look at my split testing campaigns off and on throughout that 3 to 7 day range to toggle off ads that aren't going to be a winner, and then further continue my split testing. So it's been 3 days on my post engagement ad. As you can see, we've had 3,215 post engagements. And remember, engagement are likes, shares, comments, clicks on links, clicks on videos, clicks on photos. That is engagement on Facebook. So we're averaging 1 cent per post engagement. So let's click into this one. Remember, we can either toggle here and look at our ad sets, or just click the campaign itself. Okay, so now we're at the ad set level. So for this one, I targeted just the influencer page for Grant Cardone. I'm averaging 0.003 per post engagement. But when I narrowed that down from 19 million to 15K, these are people who like Grant Cardone and Frank Kern. Yes, this may be a more targeted person, but it is costing me a lot more, 31 cents per post engagement. So this is a great A/B split test to show you the difference as you narrow your audience size. If you're trying to seek a very targeted niche, it's going to cost you a little bit more. But since I'm just looking for general post engagement, people clicking on my links, commenting on my post, liking my post, I like to cast a wide net, that million+ audience size. So I'll just toggle off this ad set, and if there's something else I want to test at the ad set level, I just click that plus ad set and create another variation of something I want to test. Remember, this will now be the control group, and we'll test one new variable in another new ad set. But this is a really cheap per post engagement, so I think I'll keep this ad set and now split test on the ad level. So unselect that, select this one, and now go to the ad level. Now let's look at this one. Add an ad, create ad. We're using that existing ad set, so click continue. Now let's select another page post. So you can select any other post that's relevant to this ad set with this type of ad set, like this type of content in this page post. So this one actually is pretty relevant, the top landing pages of 2017. So I'll select that one, scroll down, and click place order. Now go back to your ads manager. So this post engagement ad is still selected. Let's go to the ad level. And as you can see, we're now split testing this single ad set with 2 varying ads. And for this one, those are posts. So continue to split test on that ad set level until you get your optimal metric. For this one, it was cost per engagement down to the price point you are seeking in accordance to the results you want. So 3,247 results or post engagements at a price of 0.003 per. So continue that split testing constantly until you create that evergreen, results-driven, amazing ad that you can just run forever, pushing money into. You've created a perfect ad, now just scale it.